The last step before we can see something from the Kinect interactions is to add a KinectRegion control to the XAML. The KinectRegion control is the key element of Kinect interactions in WPF. It defines the screen area where interactive elements are placed and where they can be manipulated. KinectRegion is also responsible for displaying and moving the hand cursor. An application can have multiple Kinect regions, but they cannot be nested. Each Kinect region can have their own respective Kinect sensor. Let's add the Kinect region to the main grid of the main window, thus making it stretch the entire window. I'm going to call it KinectRegion. Now we have to set the Kinect sensor property of this KinectRegion control to the actual Kinect sensor. In the code behind, if we had no error while initializing the Kinect, we can do this: KinectRegion.KinectSensor equals the new sensor that we just received. Now let's try and run the application. And what we see is an exception. What happened? Turns out that the Kinect interaction system needs a native DLL to function. Let's stop the application, open the Solution Explorer, say Add Existing Item, and this DLL can be found in the Kinect SDK, Developer Toolkit, Redist, x86, and then here is the DLL. Let's add it, and we have to change the properties so that the build action is none and this file is copied to the output directory. Now, if we run the application, at least it doesn't crash. You can see the little purple Kinect at the top indicating that everything is alright. Let me start Kinect Studio and attach it to our little project. This will allow you to see what the Kinect sees. The Kinect Studio can also record the output of the Kinect so that you can play it back later and find bugs easier. Kinect Studio is a handy little add-on to the Kinect SDK because you don't have to stand up from the computer to test the behavior of your application when a certain gesture is happening. On the other hand, this feature seriously hinders the weight loss advantages of Kinect development. Oh well. Let's turn on the depth view, and now you can see me. You can see me waving my hands in the air, and also you can see that our little application is finally doing something. It now has a hand cursor. Watch what happens as I move my hand around, as I raise and lower my hands. And if I raise my other hand, you can see that the Kinect can differentiate between my left hand and right hand. If I put both of them up, we still only see one cursor. If I drop my left hand, the Kinect switches the active hand to my right hand. I will show you more of this behavior later.